Good morning, students. In the last class, we have already discussed about the mean and all sorts of the question we have discussed in mean. Now, today we will begin the median. Can you tell me what is called median? Median of the given data is the middlemost term. Median is the middlemost term of the arranged data. Means whenever you are asked to find out the median, in case of median, the data must be arranged. This arrangement I am talking about the raw data, which you have already studied in class 9. But still I will just make a revision little bit. What is that median? See, let n is the total number of observations. Remember, it must be arranged. So, two cases are there when n is odd, when the number of observation is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 12th value. Second, when n is even, then the median is equal to n by 12th value plus n by 2 plus 1th value divided by 2. Means you will be asked to find out the n by 12th value and n by 2 plus 1th value. Means if suppose n by 2 is 5th value, the next is what? 6th value. So the average of the 5th and 6th value we will take, and that is called the median. But remember, all these should be considered when the data are given in the arranged form. I'll just take an example. Find the median of the following data. (29, 37, 54, 18, 40, 32, 57, 61, 43, 20. Suppose this is the data given. I am adding one more question. If one of the data 32 is replaced by 23 and the data 20 is removed, find the new median. So this is a raw data, and here we have two cases. One is directly you have to find out the median, and another is this condition you have to follow up. So look at here how to go. The first and foremost thing is to arrange it. Arrange in the ascending or descending order, either way you can. So let us arrange. What is the least one? 18, then 20, then after that 29, then after that 32, then 37, then 40, 37, 40, then 43, then 32 also got, 20, 43, 43, after 43 what is that? 54, then 57, then 61. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is well arranged. N is what? N is equal to 10, which shows even. And whenever you have to find out the median of the even number of the raw data, what shall we do? We will just find out n by 2th value first. And what is the n by 2th value? 10 by 2. That means 5th value. And what is your 5th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is your 37. Then you find out n by 2 plus 1th value. What I said, n by 2 is coming 5th, then plus 1, directly you can add 6th value. And what is your 6th value? Is your 40. 6th value is equal to 40. Find out their average. So median is equal to 37 plus 40 divided by 2, 77 by 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16, 5. So the median is 38.5, the original median. Now then you follow up this instruction. What is given? 32 is replaced by 23. This 32 is definitely going off and is replaced by 23. So 23 will fall here, 23. And one of the data 20 is removed. So this is removed. Now can you tell me what are the datas left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9, which is called odd. So we will find out n plus 1 by 2th value. So you can directly write median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th value, and that is equal to how much? 9 plus 1 by 2th value, that is 10 by 2th value, that is the 5th value. And can you tell me what is the 5th value? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 40. So 40 is the median. Now, if suppose you have a discrete series, what do you mean by discrete series? In discrete series, the median, frequencies are given. So in such cases, how shall we find out? Let us see. Suppose xi, it is given, fi is given. Let us say here 8, 40, 56, 16, 24, 64, 32, 72, 48, 80. Now, and here is 11, 13, 17, 9, 15, 5, 12, 18, 10, 2. In such cases, what shall we do? More or less, we have to apply the same method. And what is the method? First of all, we have to see xi must be arranged. I am not going to arrange the fi. I must arrange the xi. So let us see. Arrange xi. Xi. Here is fi. Xi 8. Eight, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. The corresponding fi you write down. This is 11, 16 is 9, 24 is 15, then 32, 12, then 40, 13, 48, 10, 56, 17, 64, 5, 72, 18, and 82. So you have arranged it. Accordingly, you have written the Fi. And now in this case, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. How to find out cumulative frequency? First, you write the first whatever the frequency is there, and after that you add 11 plus 9, 20 plus 15, 35 plus 12, 47 plus 13, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 17, 87 plus 5, 92 plus 18, 110 plus 2, 112. And now I would like to just explain what does it CF means. When we talk about 11, 11 means we are talking about 1 to 11, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 to 11, wherever it is falling, it will fall here only. But when we talk about 20, 20 will include from 12 to 20. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Similarly, if I take 60, till 47 here and 60 will include 48 to 60. If suppose I take 92, 92 means till 87 here, but 92 will include 88 to 92, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92. Understood? So this is the way we can treat the cumulative frequency. And now, what is your N? N is your 1, 1, 2, which is called even. So definitely we will find out N by 2th value. Means 1, 1, 2 by 2, 2 5s are 10 and 2 6s are 56th value. You just look at the CF, where will 56 fall? Definitely it will fall here. And what is its corresponding XI? That is your 40. Then N by 2 plus 1th value. What is that? 56 plus 1th value. That means 57th value. And where will this 57 value fall? The same. That will be also 40. So therefore, median will be equal to 40 plus 40 divided by 2. 2 into 40 divided by 2 to cancel. That is 40. So the one or two question, whatever I have discussed, this you have already studied in class 9. Now main focus is how to find out the median by using the formula, means median of the group data. So let us discuss. Median of grouped data. For finding out the median of group data, we have a formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by Fi into H. Let us specify, let us explain these all terms which is used here, where L is equal to lower limit of the median class. N is equal to sum of all the frequency. CF is equal to cumulative frequency just above the median class, and Fi is equal to frequency of the median class and what is H? Class size of the median class. So these are the meaning of these terms which we have been used, and it is very important if you want to learn how to do, you have to learn the formula. Let us discuss one question which is based on it. Find, actually this is third question, find the median of the following data. Marks, number of students 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. This is 9, this is 12, this is 5, this is 8, this is 11, this is 15, and this is 10. So when you are given this, here we need only 3 columns. One, the first column is your CI, second column is your Fi, and third column is your CF. So CI, that means the marks, Fi, the number of students, and third column CF, cumulative frequency. Zero to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. Now what are the frequencies? 12, 5, 8, 11, 15, and 10. Let us find out the cumulative frequency. 9, as I said, 9, and then after that 12 you add how much? 21, then you add 5, 26, then you add 8, 34, then you add 11, 45, then you add 60, then you add 70. And now you need to find out n by 2 means 70 by 2, how much? 35. You just take the number more than 35. That must be a whole number. What is the number more than 35? Surely it is 36. If suppose you have got n by 2 as 35.6, suppose next number will be 36 only. If suppose you have got 35.1, still the next number will be 36. If you get 35.9, still you will get 36. But if you get 36, what is the next number? 37. So remember my word that just more than the n by 2, and that should be a whole number. So any case you have, you will just take more than that. If suppose you have 25.1, you will take 26. Simple. Here estimation will not work. That's why I have given the different example. And now If you have got n by 2, then n by 2 is 35. You look at here, where will it fall? Will it fall here? No. It is still 34. But from 35 to 45 will fall here only. If suppose it is 35, here only is coming, still we will take the term in 45, because more than 45, 35 will fall here. So therefore, what is its corresponding CI? 80 to 100. So we will say median class is equal to how much? 80 to 100. So therefore, the value of L is 80. You can easily recognize what was L. L was the lower limit of the median class. Now, then what is your Fi? Fi is the frequency of the median class. This is your Fi. And what is your CF? Cumulative frequency just above the median class. So Fi is 11, but CF is 34. And what is your H? H is your 20. So therefore, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by Fi into H. What is your L? L is your 80, n by 2 35, CF is your 34, Fi is your 11, H is your 20. 80 plus 1 by 11 into 20. This you simplify. So 20 by 11. How many times it will go? Only one time. 9, 0, 11, 8 jar, 88, 2. So it can be written as 80 plus 1.8, that is 81.8 is the median. Did you understand? That this was a direct question. Now, if suppose the median is given in a less than series or more than series, then how shall we do? I'll discuss one more question in that. Now, let us see. Find that was the median of the following data. CI, or here you can say marks, let us say marks, number of students less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, and last one less than 80. Suppose here is your 80, 72, 60, 51, 43, 32, 28. So less than series must be converted into simple frequency distribution table. How can we? I have already discussed earlier also. Here you can see marks. Here you can see Fi. The purpose of converting into simple frequency distribution table is to find out Fi. We don't recognize what is Fi as well as the median class. So this will be your CF. See, 20, 30, 10 is the differences. What is the previous one? 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. That's all. Now, 10 to 20. Oh, I'm sorry. The frequency is given not correct. It should be in the ascending order. When the frequency is given descending order, it must be a more than series. Sorry. So it will be, say, 12, 28, 37, 49, 72, 73 and 80. So here we will first write 12. After writing 12, it is given less than 20, but again it is given less than 30. Less than 30 but more than 20. And so that's why from here to here we have to subtract. How much it is? 6, 1. Then from here to here we will subtract how much? 17, 8, 9. From here to here subtract how much? This will be equal to 9, 7, 2, 12. Here we will subtract 12, 9, 3 and 6, 4, 2. Then here we will subtract 1 and then here we will subtract, that is 7. But again we have to find out CF. 12, 28, 37 and then 49, then 72, 73 and 80. Now n by 2 is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40. Where will the 40 fall? Definitely here. So what is the median class? Median class is equal to 40 to 50. So what is your L? L is your 40. Now this is your Fi. Fi is 12. And then just above the median class is CF, that is 37, and H is equal to 10. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by Fi into H. What is L? 40 plus n by 2 12, n by 2 how much? 40 and minus 37 divided by 12 into 10. 40 plus 3 by 12 into 10. 3 4s are 3 1s are 3 4s are 2 2s are 2 5s are. So 40 plus 2.5 and that will be 42.5. That is the median. So few more questions we will discuss next class. Thank you so much.